Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Get to the top here. A quick tutorial from me today. So if you've connected your MacBook Pro or your MacBook Air to your monitor or your TV in order to maybe get some work done, edit some videos or edit some photos, or if you're trying to project a movie from your laptop onto your TV for the whole family to watch, but the audio is coming out of the laptop instead of the monitor or the TV, then this is a video for you to watch. So before we dive into that, if you don't know what clamshell mode is, it's this right here. It's basically when the lid of your laptop is closed, but the screen is projected onto your monitor or your TV, okay? So in order to do this, you need a few things. First of all, you need the charging adapter, so that needs to be plugged in at all times. If this comes out, then it wouldn't work. So that goes straight into the socket, as you can see right there. And the second thing that you need is a HDMI cable going from your laptop straight into your monitor or your TV. So with my laptop, because it has a HDMI port, as you can see right there, all I need is a HDMI cable. However, if you don't have a HDMI port in your laptop, then all you need is a USB-C to HDMI cable, which I'll link down in the description below for you to grab if you don't have one. Okay, that's if your laptop doesn't have a HDMI port, instead it just has a USB-C port, then that's the adapter that you need. If it has this, you just need a cable straight into your TV or monitor. Once that's done, of course, you want to set up a mouse and a keyboard. So mine's all set up, it's been connected via Bluetooth, etc. And as you can see, if I play it,
lightweight health wearable loaded with advanced
okay, the audio is coming out of the monitor, exactly what I want. However, if that does not happen, then this is what you need to do. You want to head over to your settings, then head to sound. Then where it says output, you want to make sure that your TV or your monitor has been highlighted. So all the audio coming out will be through HDMI coming out your monitor or your TV. And that's pretty much it. So that works with clamshell mode, or if you're having your laptop with an open lid with a movie, that's going to be projected onto your TV or monitor, and then the audio being coming out through that. All right guys, so I hope you found this video to be useful. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more tech and gaming related videos. And until next time, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.